Onvo's entry-level price points are expected to attract a lot of first-time buyers, which could significantly increase NIO's market share, like I said, giving them some scale. That's what makes Onvo particularly promising. By targeting different segments of the market, it can give NIO a competitive edge. This diversification not only enhances brand presence, but it also mitigates risk by spending revenue across different market segments. So let's say people are no longer, or not going to say no longer, because people will always be buying premium SUVs, but let's say people slow down when it comes to buying premium SUVs. Now they want to just buy a mass market car. Or let's say vice versa happens. NIO's not putting all of their eggs in one basket anymore. So this is ultimately good for the company. I don't see how you can hate on this strategy. If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi, and welcome back to the Courtside Financial Podcast, the podcast where we talk about business and technology. In today's episode, we've got a few updates around the electric vehicle industry regarding NIO and their sub-brand Onvo. So quick reminder, none of this is financial advice. Super important to do your own research and come to your own conclusions, especially when making investment decisions. I did my own research and I came to my own conclusion, which was to invest in NIO. Before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the year is over. If you could help us out with that, we would be ever so grateful. Click the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any content that's to come. And without further ado, let's get into today's installment. Let's start with weekly order updates. Many of you know CNEV Post is our go-to source for weekly order updates when it comes to NIO and a lot of other information as well. So hats off to CNEV Post. Very happy with all of the work, the hard work that they put in, and it's helpful for people in the NIO community like myself, from fans to investors to enthusiasts to content creators. So just wanted to give CNEV Post a shout out because of all they do for the Chinese electric vehicle industry, for the electric vehicle industry globally. Anyways, on a weekly basis, CNEV posts updates for multiple EV manufacturers. Recently, they reported that NIO had received between 4,000 and 5,000 orders last week, and this is significant considering the line adjustments that NIO has made, including double shifts and producing the Onvo L60 cars. I wonder if the 3,400 vehicle insurance registrations that we've seen could be linked to these double shifts that NIO is running currently. According to CNEV Post, last week's orders bring NIO to a total of 12,000 orders for the month so far. In May, NIO had 27,000 orders, and many of those vehicles are still pending delivery, taking an average of 3 weeks to complete after an order is placed. If NIO continues this trend, I could see them hitting around 25,000 orders by the end of June. Historically, orders tend to surge towards the end of the month as more people try to get their hands on a new car, and that's just when people tend to think that they'll get the best deal on a car. Obviously, it might not be true with NIO electric vehicles, fixed prices, you never know, but that's just kind of this culture that was built into the car buying industry. But anyways, this aligns with what we've seen from NIO's production capabilities towards the end of May. Let's shift gears a little bit and talk about some developments in the EV sector. Recently, Pony AI, known for its robotaxis in China, also got investment from NIO Capital. They established a research and development center in Europe. Meanwhile, NIO's focusing on their driverless technology, which includes speeding up the development. Emperor William Li has set a goal for battery swaps to perform each swap station to perform 60 swaps per day to achieve profitability. To meet this target, NIO's refurbishing their V2 battery swapping stations as they prepare for the Onvo L60, which is dubbed as the Tesla killer, the Model Y killer. And this model is expected to ramp up NIO's competitive edge significantly. So let's take a closer look at Onvo, NIO's sub-brand that's making waves in the market. Onvo's a car that's designed to cater to a broader range of consumers, making some high quality vehicles at a more affordable price point. This strategic move is intended to give NIO the scale it needs to actually have better margins when it comes to production and become a dominant force in the EV market, not just capturing the luxury segment. The Onvo L60 launched on May 15th and is poised to shake up the market. Pre-sales began with a starting price point of 30,300 RMB. This model focuses on family needs with superior technology and efficiency, a 900-volt architecture, and the lowest wind resistance of any electric SUV in the world. It's no surprise that NIO's pre-sales for this Onvo L60 are reportedly hitting 300,000 and likely soaring to 400,000. As September 10th comes around, when the Onvo L60 will officially be launched, I expect it to have a significant impact on the EV market. The model is going to support battery swaps, fast charging, and offer more space and better suspension than the Tesla Model Y. Onvo's entry-level price points are expected to attract a lot of first-time buyers, which could significantly increase NIO's market share, like I said, giving them some scale. That's what makes Onvo particularly promising. By targeting different segments of the market, it can give NIO a competitive edge. This diversification not only enhances brand presence, but it also mitigates risk by spending revenue across different market segments. So let's say people are no longer, or not going to say no longer, because people will always be buying premium SUVs, but let's say people slow down when it comes to buying premium SUVs. Now they want to just buy a mass market car. Or let's say vice versa happens. NIO's not putting all of their eggs in one basket anymore. So this is ultimately good for the company. I don't see how you can hate on this strategy. Onvo's models are designed to be highly customizable, allowing consumers to choose from various options with various features and advanced driving technology. Onvo's not just about budget conscious consumers. It's also about tech enthusiasts looking for the latest in automotive innovation. Imagine a future where NIO dominates the streets. How soon do you think this will happen? NIO's investment in autonomous driving technology is another critical factor that could propel NIO and Onvo to the forefront. With continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, Onvo is expected to have state-of-the-art autonomous driving capability. All these things make Onvo highly competitive. But at the end of the day, in addition to Onvo's impact, we have to consider the broader trends in the EV market. Government policies worldwide are increasingly favoring electric vehicles with incentives for both manufacturers and consumers. The regulatory support combined with growing environmental awareness creates a fertile ground for both NIO and Onvo to flourish. NIO's strategy of integrating battery swap across its models, including Onvo, provides a unique selling point that sets it far apart from its competitors. Battery swap offers convenience and efficiency, addressing some of the main pain points that EV owners have: charging times and range anxiety. The ongoing improvements in battery swap technology play a crucial role, with innovations leading to higher densities and faster charging time. EVs are becoming more practical and more appealing to a broader audience. Onvo is well positioned to leverage these advancements by selling models that not only meet but exceed consumer expectations. So these developments are setting the stage for an exciting future for NIO. We'll keep an eye on the progress of the launch of the Onvo L60. And as always, stay informed, do your research, and make investments that align with your financial goals and situation. If you found this video informative or engaging, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Get in the description below and join the free Courtside Financial Discord so we can keep the conversation going offline. Click the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any content anytime I post. And we will see you in the next installment. Thanks for spending some time with us today. All right, this is Obi signing off.